Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss servlets and JSP example, basic example, how to create servlets, how to write simple example, that means basic example. I will tell you. You can go to file, go to new, here select the dynamic web application. Dynamic web application means this is a web application project. EJP means EJP project. Spring Starter project means Spring Application project. JPA means JPA project. Like this, you can create the different type of projects. That means which project we need. Based on that one, you can create the project. First, you can try dynamic web application. Click this one. Here I can write the basic web app. Web app, basic web app. Server default, you can select server default. If you server do not have, you can go to new here. You can select which server you need. You can select. This is for WebSphere. This is for WebLogic. This is for JBoss server. Uh, this is for Apache server. Basic means this is Apache server. Hmm? You need web application servers means you can select Apache. You need application server means you can go to IBM, Oracle, Red Hat, JBoss. You can use this any servers. Okay. Uh, Already I configured this one. No need. Here version is a sixth version. This is a configure. Once you can select the server automatically, it will reflect here. Click next. This is a package. That means package of the application. Click next. If you don't want to create any web.xml current days, why means currently using annotations, servlets annotations. That's why no need. If you need, you can create. Otherwise, no need. I'm creating. I need. That's why I'm creating. Now see, web application structure is like this. Here is the this is the build path. Suppose we need to create war file. That build path is available here. This is the implementation path. Here we are implementing. This is a web banner. Here storing external libraries. If you need any external libraries, you can store here. This is a web.xml. Web.xml like this here. I will remove everything. Here also I will remove this one. I need this one index.jsp. I need that's why I keep like this. Mm, I will arrange this format. That's why I'm taking give some space. Here, basic application. Here, I will give basic application. Is it first table here, right? I will create one simple index.jsp page. Then we can check what is the how to display that one. We create here JSP. We'll change here JSP. Click next, finish. Simple. I will display one small page. HTML starting tag. This one. This is a meta tag. This is it. We have that. This is a body. This is a body here. We are using basic web application. Basic web application. Here I will write one form tag. Form tag. Here I will write. Enter the customer name. Customer name. Here I will give input. Type is equal to text. I need text format. I need to enter the text. That's why I need text. Here name I will give name. Name means I will give customer name. I will tell what is used for that one. Next, I will write another input. Here type is equal to submit button. I need button submit. That's why I will use the submit. Value I will write. This is a display of the button. Which type of button? I need to uh, enter value. No, enter text. You will write like this. Enter the text. This is for submit button. Submit for type spelling mistake. TYP type. Now run this application. What happened? You can check from this application. Go to here, right click here, run on server. You can click this one, you can select this one. Already configured. Application is a configured. No, see, automatically open page automatically. So this page automatically open. Hmm. Like this page is open. No, you can go to here. Now you can create servlet. Next is a servlet. You can create the right click here, go to here, go to others. Here servlet is there. You can check here. Web is there. Inside the web, web is means this is already available dynamic pages. This means you can select the servlets. Here we need to give the package com.jst. We give package class name basic servlet. Click next. Click next. I will use only do get. I will tell you what is the difference between do get and do post. I will use do get currently. Finish. Now here class is created. I will remove unwanted code. No need unwanted code. This is just confusion purpose. I will remove everything unwanted code. Now I will write. First I will write sysout. Sysout. I will write sysout. Basic servlet 001. Line number 1. I will write line number 1. Line number 1. You need to copy this one. This is a weblog, so we can write like this. Name equal to base service. Name equal to base service. Here we need to write this one. Next is you can write one more is URL pattern. URL pattern. Here we need to write same. We can write same. Base service only. You can write both same. Here I will mention same base service. Here, see this base service I will mention here. This base service. So means you can once you can click this button, this will find out that means this will click in the class. Normally, previously without annotation, we are saying that normally calling to web.xml file. Here annotations are using. That's why no need to use web.xml file. Rightly getting here, you can find out this one. Class base class. This base class is there. That's why this is a base class. Mapping that one, entering that one. We can check this one. What is the output of this one? But this is not displaying in the UI side. That means the UI screen. This is displaying in console only. I will restart and check. Will restart and check this. Server is restarted. Localhost 8080. Basic web application. See, maybe it's coming. I will enter one, just one, enter text. Okay, nothing is showing, but you can go here, see here. Line number 1 is coming. Now we can read the data. You can read the UI data. Here we enter one number 1. You need to read the data, then we can display. String name equal to request dot get parameter. Here I will write this name. See here. Here you can observe here. See custom name. This is the input text custom name. Copy, paste here. Now we can display same. We can display what is the output of this one. Can display customer name. Customer name. We can display name. We'll give name. Again, we can restart the server. Check what is the output of what is output will display in console. So again, I am restarting. Right click here. I will go right restart the server. You need to check what is the output of this two line. Two lines will display. You can check. So now server is started. Then I then refresh. I am refreshing. Just I am refreshing this one. Now I will write one. I will write just JST. Whatever you can check. Enter the text. Screen is empty, but you can go here. See, it is JST is displaying. That's why here data is coming. Why data is coming? Get parameter. Get parameter. This is called a parameter. Here passing parameter. That's why this is parameter. That parameter is getting here. Now you can set the value into one attribute. Then you can pass into the next page. Now that way request dot set attribute. This is setting the value and you can travel one place to another place. That purpose is using F name. Here before setting, I will write like this. F name equal to name plus welcome to basic web application. I will write this sentence, total sentence. I will write this total sentence. Here I will put one comma. F name I will use here. F name I will do it here. F name. Otherwise, I will use custom name. I will use custom name. Sorry, F name only. I will use F name. String. I will use F name here. Sorry, custom name I mentioned. Okay. Custom name. Will custom name. I will put here custom name. This is the setting value. This value you can travel one place to another place. That means one page to another page. This attribute is using. That's why there is a key and value pane. Now we need to forward this one. That means you can use request dot get or request dispatcher. Request dispatcher. Here we need to give which file we need to forward. Which file we need to forward. Which file we need to forward. JSP. Which file you need to forward? I need to forward result.jsp. I need to forward this file. Return forward. This means this is a find out the page. This request dispatch using find out the page. Once we can find this request dispatch, find out the page, it will go to the forward. Forward button. This will forwarding to the next page. That's why I will write this out here also. I mean, you can easily identify any issue or not. Custom name. I will write here. Thanks. Now we need to create one more JSP page. You can right click here, go to new, select JSP page. Here I will copy this one. I will copy this one. I'm creating same page here. I'm creating same page here. JSP. So JSP is create. JSP is create. I will JSP is created. Now I will display the data here. That's why I will write like this. Less than percentage equal to request. We start get attribute. They are using set attribute. And what is using set attribute? I need to use get attribute. This is a mapping mapping name. I will give here. That mapping name I will give here. Okay. Now see, this is a set attribute. Same attribute I am using here. Set request dot get attribute. I will give map this one. This value I need to map. This value I need to map here. That's why once we can map that one, this value getting and display there. Now we can check what is the output of this one. We can restart the server. Server restart. Yes, server successfully restarted. Now we can check the application. What is the output of this application? See, now is coming. I will use JST. Will use JST. Click enter. See, now is coming JST. Welcome to the basic web application. Here we can check the console also. See. This way we can create the basic program. We can create basic servlet program. We can create like this. Okay. So this is the basic servlet and JSP program. If you need any information about Java technologies, could you please ping me below comment box? I will help you. Jaladhi Soft Technology not only providing trainings, Jaladhi Soft Technology providing development also. That means Android app developments, web application developments, web design developments, academic projects, that means student projects, BTech, MTech, BSc, computer science projects, all computer related projects, Java Soft Technology will provide. So, thank you for watching Jala Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.